Good morning. We will pay attention to calculations today. You have to determine the profit when a profit of 80% is made on cost price. If the profit is made on cost price, then the cost price will be 100, profit 80, sales price 180. In number 1, they give us the cost price as 8,000 Rand. They don't want the sales price. You have to calculate the profit. So I will use the 8,000 Rand, multiply with the amount that I want, so the percentage 80 divided by the percentage that I know 100, and that will give me 6,400 Rand. If they asked you to do this, calculate the sales price, I would use the 8,000 times the amount that I want, 180, divided by the percentage that I know, 100, and that would give me 14,400. You must read carefully to determine whether they want you to calculate cost price, profit, or sales price. In number 2, the sales price is 19,800. So the 180% equals 19,800. If I want to calculate the profit, I will calculate 19,800 times the one that I want, 80, divided by the 180 that I know. And that will give me 8,800 Rand. Calculate the profit when a profit of 60% is made on cost price. So in this case, the cost price is 100, sales price 160. The amount given is the sales price that equals 160%. I have to calculate the profit, so 14,400 times the percentage that I want, 60, divided by the percentage that's known, 160. And that will give us 5,400 Rand profit. If they asked you to calculate the cost price, I would use the 14,400 times the percentage that I want, 100, divided by the percentage that's known, 160, and that will give me 9,000 Rand. In the second one, they give us the cost price as 6,370. We have to calculate the profit, so I will use the 6,370 times the percentage that I want, 60, divided by the percentage that's known, 100, and that will give us 3,822 Rand. If I wanted to calculate the sales price, I would use the 6,370 times the amount that I want, 160, divided by the amount that I know, 60, and that will give us 10,192 Rand. Determine whether the profit is made on cost price or sales price, and determine for each question whether you have to calculate the cost price, the profit, or the sales price.